Before Europe built highways, Indigenous America had thousands of miles of engineered roads. For centuries, history books described the Americas before Columbus as undeveloped and technologically behind. But archaeology tells a very different story. Long before European contact, indigenous civilizations engineered irrigation systems, road networks, and cities carefully adapted to their environments. This is not a story of coincidence. It is a story of knowledge, planning, and innovation in the deserts of what is now the American Southwest. The Hohokam people built one of the most complex irrigation systems in the ancient world. Their canals stretched for miles, some wider than modern city streets, delivering water with precise gradients to prevent erosion and flooding. Far to the south, in the Andes Mountains, indigenous farmers carved agricultural terraces into steep hillsides. These terraces reduced soil loss, conserved water, and created microclimates that protected crops from frost. Without metal tools, without draft animals, and without written blueprints, these systems functioned for centuries. Perhaps the most astonishing engineering achievement was the Inca road system. Over 25,000 miles of stone-paved roads crossed mountains, deserts, and forests, connecting the largest empire in the Americas. These roads included suspension bridges made from woven fibers, drainage systems to prevent washouts, and relay stations for messengers traveling incredible distances. Even in North America, extensive trade routes connected the Great Lakes, the Mississippi Valley, and the Southwest. Copper shells, obsidian, and food crops moved across continents, proof of advanced logistics and coordination. Cities in indigenous America were not randomly built. Cahokia, near modern-day St. Louis, was carefully planned around ceremonial mounds, residential zones, and agricultural fields. Its central plaza aligned with astronomical events, reflecting deep knowledge of the sun, seasons, and timekeeping. In Mesoamerica, cities like Teotihuacan were laid out on strict grids, with streets aligned to celestial movements. Urban planning was both practical and symbolic, balancing daily life with spiritual meaning. Indigenous engineers understood soil composition, water flow dynamics, flood control, and long-term sustainability. In flood-prone regions, raised fields protected crops. In dry regions, reservoirs and canals ensured survival. This was engineering rooted in observation, experimentation, and intergenerational knowledge. Not primitive improvisation's systematic science. Why wasn't this knowledge recognized? European chroniclers often dismissed indigenous technology because it did not resemble their own. Many roads were destroyed, canals filled in, cities abandoned or repurposed. Later histories framed the Americas as empty or unused, justifying colonization. Engineering achievements were erased not because they didn't exist, but because they challenged the narrative. Today, scientists study indigenous engineering to address modern problems: climate resilience, sustainable agriculture, and water conservation. Ancient solutions are proving remarkably modern. Understanding this history doesn't change the past, but it changes how we understand human innovation. If this video changed how you see history, please like the video. Subscribe for more research-based documentaries, and comment below which Indigenous engineering achievement impressed you the most.